back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. What I made today, and as you can see right here, just finished this one, a lovely meat stock based vegetable soup. I've got some old chunky lamb, kind of a mutton, kind of a bit tough with some big bones in it. We're going to add some vegetables, some spices. Really tasty. It takes quite a while to cook, but really worth it. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get started with our meat, and then later on we're going to add some vegetables. So what we've got here, I've got some lamb, bones with a little bit of meat on, or mutton. So, like I say, you know, some big bones in there with a bit of kind of scraggy meat. Great for what we're doing. Cinnamon, got a cinnamon stick there, salt, pepper, garlic, bay leaves. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, get it moving, and then, like I say, we'll get the vegetables on the go. Okay, so super easy. I've got a touch of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can be using something else if you want. We're now going to get in our meat bones. You can do this with beef as well, of course, but using lamb today. In it all goes. Going to get that cinnamon stick in there. Bay leaf. The garlic, and as you can see, I'm just putting this in whole. Chop it if you want. Salt and pepper. By the way, that's a pink Himalayan salt that I'm using. You can just use regular, of course. In that goes. And we're just going to throw this around in the pan on above medium heat for about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, so we've got some browning happening on the meat. I'm now going to put in some lentils. I'm using these yellow split ones. You could be putting in a red or something like that. Going to get some onions in. And again, just going to let this go for about another 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so this is coming together really nicely. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some water. I've got a jug of water here. In that goes. And before I add some more vegetables, I'm going to put some tomatoes, potatoes and carrots in this. Again, you can be putting anything you like in, celery, mushrooms, go where you want with it. What I'm going to do is going to boil this for a little while. Bring it to a boil and let it go for about 10-20 minutes. I mean, these bones are quite big. If you've got a pressure cooker, you're going to speed up the process probably by 4 to 5 times. So lid on. I'm going to let that go for about 20 minutes. We're going to add more water to it, or stock if you wanted. I just prefer water, and then the rest of the vegetables, and that's it. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, that's been going about 20 minutes now. Looking pretty good. So it's a veggie now. So I've got some tomatoes there. Carrots, nice big and chunky as you can see, and then some potatoes which I've got in water. The water's also going to go in. I've cut them really nice and, well, they're huge in fact. More water or stock as you want. And then again we're going to bring that to the boil, let it go for about another 6 or 7 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Let me get a load of steam out here for you. So we're good. Now I'm going to keep cooking this for ages. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop in a fresh herb. I'm using a cilantro or coriander. But mint, thyme, something like that will work, parsley. Now I'm going to cook this. I'm going to go another 20-30 minutes. I want the meat falling off the bone. I want the marrow to come out. As you can see there, the marrow's starting to do its thing. And the vegetables can completely collapse, or at least get really, really soft. So I'm going to go about another 20-30 minutes. Then it should be done. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, we're done. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. I'm really good with my one. But yeah, this meat is really tender. I've just taken some off the bone. Super soft. Our potatoes, I don't know where they are. I think they've really gone now. There's one there. But yeah, they're, like I say, they're mush now. I love that. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.